In this video we're going to explore the user interface of AutoCAD 2014. To begin with, if we look at the top left hand corner of the screen, we see what's known as the Application Manager. If we click to open this, we see a list of all the options that are available to us. More importantly so, we have our recent documents and our open documents here. Our open documents just refers to the drawing that we have open at the minute, and our recent documents shows us all the different drawings that we've been working on in AutoCAD so far. One more tab or one more option that I want to point out to you is our drawing utilities down here. So if we click to open this, we can go up to our units here, which show us, if we read it, control coordinate and angle display, formats and precision. So if we click to open this, we can see all the different options here that are available to us. Specifically, the units to scale inserted content here, which we can control any unit we want to have our drawing scaled to. So for this drawing, we'll select millimeters and OK that. Okay. If we want to look up the top of the screen here and to our search bar here, or our quick access toolbar, we have a search box up here. For example, there I have polygon entered into it. So if I click enter to search for that, you can see here that it shows us about polygons. It gives us the different options that we have for drawing polygons, and it also gives us, if I click on to draw a circumscribed polygon, if I click on that, it gives us the instructions to draw a circumcised polygon. So it's just a go-to in case you get stuck on anything. Okay? These three buttons at the top here are minimize, maximize and close, refers to the entire application of AutoCAD, whereas these three, the same controls down here, refer to the specific drawing that we have at the minute. Right, okay. All along the top of the screen here, we have what's known as ribbons. Within the ribbons we have our tabs along here. We have our panels which can be expanded to give us different options for our different commands. And up here then we have our different commands. Okay. This over here is our view cube. Down here we have our navigation bar. And then we have our UCS icon, or our user coordinate system icon down here, which just reminds us of where the X and Y axis are pointed. The only remaining elements of the user interface to talk about is the command line. This is actually missing from my specific interface, but this is easy to get back. Simply all we need to do is click on the drawing space, begin to type in command line. And as you can see, it already appears for us, so all we need to do is hit enter, and you can see down here our command line appears. Okay, this just gives us a list and a previous list of all the commands that we have used thus far. Okay, now directly below this we see what's known as the status bar toggles. This gives us a number of options like our infer constraints, our ortho mode, line thicknesses and line weights, and these are specific to the drawing that we have open in front of us. As you can see, they are shaded in grey and in blue. Once they're shaded in blue, this means that the status toggle is actually activated, and in grey it is deactivated. Simply click on it to activate it, or click on it to deactivate it. So this concludes the tutorial for the user interface of AutoCAD 2014.